Hey, beautiful people. What up, though? Today we're going to be walking through Kirklands. And believe it or not, this is my very first time in Kirklands. I've heard other people talk about Kirklands and I was misled because I was led to believe that Kirklands was all about the farmhouse decor. And that's not my style, so I had no desire to go in Kirklands. But as you will see in this video, the bougie bohemian style is up in this thing. And I fell in love. So let's just sit back and see all of the beautiful, amazing things they have in this store. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new here and you have not subscribed, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you here on this channel. We have some amazing content coming to you very soon. Well, we have amazing content already. What am I talking about? Let's just sit back and see what's going on up in Kirkland's. If you made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below and let me know if Kirkland's was all that you thought it was. Um, I will see you all in the next video. I hope you have a wonderful day.